This is a Vuma 103 podcast.
Ekseni every Sunday just after the sport ekseni sikhuluma ngendaba ethi the vows, and namhlanje ekseni siyakhuluma ngale ndaba ethi the vows, and namhlanje we are joined by Lusindiso Malimba. Lusindiso Malimba inasobe sikhuluma naye namhlanje ekseni sikhuluma indaba 18 ezemshado siba naye Lusindiso Malimba kanye nomama uMaphini, namhlanje no Lusindiso Malimba yena sobe sikhuluma naye. Good morning Mr Malimba ekseni.
Good morning sir.
Uyaphila mhlonishwa?
No, siyaphila mhlekazi kunjani kodwa?
Siyaphila tata. Thank you very much for joining us namhlanje kuseni, and we are going to be with you most Sundays at the third and the last Sunday of the month. Sikhuluma nawe indaba 18 ezomshado. Mhlawumbe nje in 30 seconds just share with umlaleli weVuma FM ukuthi ubani uLusindiso Malimba in 30 seconds.
Thanks my brother. Lusindiso Malimba is a married man blessed with 2 kids. I'm a life coach, a motivational speaker, a pastor, author of 2 books. As it says, 21 realities about marriage, die trying, yimlo about Nsala Tata in the Eastern Cape, my brother.
Thank you very much, my sister. So sikhuluma nawe ngendaba ethinta imshado nje, sibheke nomshado ngqo. And namhlanje we are talking about a very important and I think special topic, sithi pursuing wisdom for your marriage. Mhlambe just share with us namhlanje lesihloko esikhuluma ngase kuseni.
This is something that is very important. I want to highlight a few things. Must be pursuing wisdom for your marriage. I strongly believe that 50% of the married people do not have marriage problems. They have wisdom problems. Let me say this one again. Yakholela mfowethu ukuthi 50% wabantu abakhalayo we are in trouble, abanye baku separation, some have divorced already. They don't have marriage problems, but they have wisdom problems. Dalela ngifuna understand lena my brother.
Yeah.
Your marriage can never be better than your level of wisdom. Most of the times when they complain, they think it's cheating, they think there's something wrong with the in-laws, there's something wrong with finances, they touch on many things. But I tell you right now, if you lack wisdom, your marriage will not work. There's a verse in the Tanda, my brother, James 1:5, I think, if any of you lacks wisdom, God. In other words, God is aware that it's possible ukuthi uphile but uleke wisdom. Ube semthathweni but uleke wisdom. What is this wisdom for? Wisdom to speak, that's number one. You know, it's very important. My brother, I tell you right now, every time you open up your mouth in marriage, if there is no wisdom emazwini owakhuluma nobowathetha kwispouse sakho, though it was meant for good, but it can be a reason for it distraction umthatho wakho. So sizothe namhlanje abantu understand. Number one, open your mouth with wisdom. Never open your mouth at a point of anger. You need to be very careful. Sinabantu my brother this morning abangakhulumisana banezinto ezininzi abaxabene ngazo emthathweni. The problem is not cheating. The problem is not finances. The problem asiwona ama-in-laws, but the problem is lack of wisdom. So sizothe namhlanje pray for wisdom. Every day when you wake up in the morning, Lord, give me wisdom to deal with this man. Give me wisdom to handle this woman. If you lack wisdom, then you are in trouble. Here's another thing, my brother, that I think is also very important. When we talk about wisdom, don't pray. If you are a married person, don't pray for things before you pray for wisdom. Ungazithandazeli izinto phambi koba uthandazele ubulumko. Nemoto efike before wisdom, it will be a reason yokuxabana kwenu. Isho nomuzi enufumene before you receive wisdom izawuxabanisa. Even if businesses and is obtainer before you receive wisdom izawuxabanisa. Don't pray for things before you pray for wisdom. My brother, every day you wake up in the morning as a married person, pray for wisdom. God will give it to you. Bless you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Malimba. Powerful message this morning. Pray for wisdom, pursuing wisdom for your marriage. Sipha ma contact details akho khona abantu abazofisa ukukhuluma nawe, bafisa ubalaphe ulaphe nemshado yabo. Ngicela usipha ma contact details akho nokuthi kuthola kanjani kuma social media platforms.
My brother, on social media, Lusindiso Malimba, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Lusindiso Malimba. Those who want to contact me, it's 073 4968 491 073 0849684491. God bless you, sir.
Mr. Malimba sibe nawe futhi noma kanjani next week Sunday. Siyabonga.
Thanks, my brother.
Gama lakhe uLusindiso Malimba, life coach, motivational speaker, marriage counselor, powerful man of God. Soba naye this year la eThekwini noma kanjani. Pursuing wisdom. Mandla namandla emshadweni. Before nikhulekele yonke into emshadweni, khulekelani ubuhlakanipha. Khulekelani ubuhlakani, iwisdom. Ukuze kungabi khona inkinga namandla kakhulu. Zoyithola podcast yakho na Facebook page Mega Grace on Vuma Fm and on our YouTube channel Mega Grace on Vuma Fm. Yakhona njengamanje uzoyithola mangibuya ngizokutshela our verse of the day. Good morning.
This is a Vuma 103 podcast.